Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asri bin Rozi. I will go through the lesson of our module 1, which is LED and resistor. So, the first of all, we have to go to the one application, online application, which is Tinkercad. So, simply go to Google and type in Tinkercad. Click enter. Then we will go to the interface of Autodesk Tinkercad, like this one, and then you have to sign in. So there's a multiple choices of sign in, so we can use any of this one, but the simplest one for me is sign in with the Google, because it will automatically bind with your Google account. So if you are a new, just go to here and click collection, click this click collection, and it will create a new collection for you. But if you have created one, just go to any of this collection and click. And then it will go to this one, and then click the create button and go to circuit, because we want to create a circuit of consists of LED and resistor. Right, this is our workplace. So the main component of our module is breadboard. We go to the search place, search section, and we go type the breadboard and drag the breadboard to this, to here. Alright, then we're gonna search the next component, which is battery. Simply type battery in the search section, and then drag this one battery. Alright, so if we want to rotate the components, we can simply type the button R on your keyboard, like this. Okay, but you can do another thing to rotate it, which is you can type the component you want to rotate and click this button. This will also rotate like this. Alright, so we can rename the components by just rename what you want. Like this battery, I want to rename it as a VS1, which is voltage source 1. Alright, we're gonna move to the next component, which is resistor. Simply search resistor. You're gonna see there is a resistor here, a simple resistor. We drag this resistor and put it onto the breadboard. So if you can see on the breadboard, we have like a green line here. We have a vertical green lines and horizontal green lines. So if you want to put the components onto this breadboard, we have to put it carefully and aware of this green line, right? So then we don't want any circuit problem to be happen, right? We can put it like this way, or we can put it like this way, or we can put like this way, but we cannot put it like this way because it will make a problem with the circuit. Alright, so then you have to search for the LED. You search LED and take the maroon one and put it onto the breadboard like this. Again, you can choose the color you want, like white or green. Okay, Alright, so how to create a cable to connect all of these components here. So right now we want to create a simple circuit. Alright, so if you want to create a cable, we can simply, if you can see, if I move the cursor onto any of the points, it will be a red box will be come out, right? So the red box is the initiate of the cable. Just click and the cable will appear like this. And if you want to connect the cables with anything, just click it again if the red box is appeared, and it will be simply connected, right, like this one. So if you want to delete it, just press backspace, right? So if you can see here, battery, it has positive terminal and negative terminal. So we have to connect the cables within the right terminal. The simple circuit will be run smoothly. Alright, so first one, we're gonna take this positive terminal of the battery and just do it like this and connect it with the resistor here, like this one. And it will be connected because of the breadboard current flow, right? This one, alright. The green line means the between the resistor and the cables, it has been connected using the breadboard, right? So we can also change the color of the cables by simply click this cable and choose the color. Here, there's a lot of color here, and I'm gonna choose red. Then about this LED, you already know about cathode and anode, right? Cathode is the negative terminal and the anode is the positive terminal. So you have to be careful when connect the circuit. So then we're gonna choose the black cables. We're gonna connect the battery with the like this one. Although it is not touch each other, but it's connected because of the breadboard. You see the green line? It's connected, right? So this circuit is actually doesn't complete yet because of this resistor and this LED is not connected. You see, there is no green lines connected the both of the components. So we have to create a cable that connected these two components, and simply just do like this. Yeah, because the resistor will connect to this cable and this cable will connect to the LED and will complete the circuit. So this is the simple circuit. You can change the resistance of the resistor by click on the resistor and change it here. Like the example is like 330 ohm, for example, right? So then if you have determined the resistance, we can and make sure all the cables is make sure the circuit is complete. Then you can start the simulation by clicking this button. Yeah. So when the LED is on, which means your circuit is actually completed and the current is flowing the circuit right now. You can stop this, take it back, and if you want to change the resistance again to do another experiment, you just have to like tap the amounts here to, for example, 2 kilo ohm. Start the simulation like this one. So this is example for the simple circuit.